How to buy premium on Bumble account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy premium on Bumble account. So in order to upgrade your Bumble into premium, you first of all have to download and install the Bumble app on your device. If you have not downloaded the application, simply head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the application. Once you open it, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to upgrade the Bumble Premium, then simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, and over here you have the option of premium. To unlock all the features to get the complete control of the experience, you need to purchase premium. Here you have all the benefits such as unlimited likes, see who liked you, advanced filters, incognito mode, travel mode, and much more. So if you want to buy premium, go ahead and tap on the upgrade option. As you can see, there are different options here such as lifetime, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, or 1 week. If you want to start out with 1 week, then tap on get 1 week, and here it also has the price, which is 14.99 US dollars. Go ahead and tap on this option. Once you do, you will have to add the payment method, and after the payment method has been completed, you will successfully buy premium on Bumble account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.